Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Girl and Guitar. We have Lewis Fitzgerald. He's been with us before on this channel, so if you haven't listened to him before, do that. Great artist. We covered songs like Darling and Unlovable, I believe was the name of one. So anyway, check them out. This time we have Teannah. Alright, so Lewis, you cannot forget about her. So let's go into Teannah, and this is a song where I choose to go with the capo high up on the 7th fret. Why? Because we want to match up with the sound and have the easiest chords possible. We have this melodies going on, and easy chords is great as well. So capo on 7th, that is my absolute recommendation for this one. And yeah, let's go over the chords like we normally do. We're gonna look at A minor, E minor, F, and C. All right, so let's start with A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. All right, E minor next, and that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have a wonderful bar chord here, that's the F. All right, so you bar all strings here on the 1st fret, all right? And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is C. Okay, so that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we're gonna look at the melody first. I'm gonna take you through this chord by chord, and I can just mention the chord progression will be the same throughout the song: A minor, E minor, F, and C. All right, so it doesn't change, it goes like that from the beginning till the very end. So melody here for A minor, you can play like this. So that is open A, 2nd D, 1st B, back to 2nd D, and 2nd G. So you hold the chord as it is, that's the best scenario, and play the notes. So next is E minor. You're gonna play like this. You can hold the chord as it is. You don't need to really. What you need is the 2nd fret A string. All right. So you're gonna play open E string, then 2nd A, open G, back to 2nd A, and back to open E. Okay. The next chord is F, and here you can hold the chord as it is as well. And you're gonna play this part. So that is to play 1st fret E string, 3rd A, 2nd G, 2nd D, 3rd D, and 3rd A. That's F part, and then the final C goes. So you're gonna play 3rd on A, open G, open high E, 1st B, and back to 3rd A. All right, so that's the end note of this melody. I'm gonna take you through one round: A minor, E minor, F, C, slowly, and then I'm gonna speed up to somewhat of a standard tempo. Let's go. Yeah, I couldn't stop myself. What a nice melody it is. And yeah, that's that part. Let's take a look at the final strumming part. All right, so of course we're gonna use the same chords. We're gonna look at A minor as the first chord and learn the strumming with that. So grab the A minor, and one strumming round will be down, down, up, clap, up, down. Okay, so that is one round. So down, down, up, clap, up, down. couple of rounds like this. So that is the rhythm and feeling when you have and use this strumming. Now you want to play different chords of chords. So you're going to play one string round per chord. Same chord progression. So A minor 1, E minor 1, F1, C1, like this. Alright, some freestyle there in the end. You can do it in your way. You have the melody, you have the strumming, you can build it and make it fun. So that pretty much covers Louis Fitzgerald, Teannah. Wonderful song. Hope you, Louis, will come back with some great stuff. Of course you will. So yeah, if you're a fan of Louis or Growing Guitar, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And yeah, thank you for support, guys. Till next time, play tuned.